In this video we want to show you how to extend your smartphone storage on Android and save data on an external storage drive with USB Type-C. In this case we got a Kingston DataTraveler microDuo with a normal USB Type-A and a new Type-C on the other side. The reading speed of this USB flash storage is 100 megabytes per second, and the writing speed 15 megabytes per second. Let us open it and get the USB storage out. Here a closer look at the flash storage. There is a plastic protection for the fragile USB Type-C connector. It comes with a keychain cord. To use the USB drive with your smartphone, just connect it with your phone. At the top status bar you can see the newfound flash drive. Or go to your own data folder, where you can find the new added storage too. We are going to copy a video file from the smartphone's internal storage folder to the newly added external storage. This video file is almost 500 megabytes big. It takes about 20 seconds to copy this file on the new USB Type-C storage. Here we got the copies video file on the external USB storage. Let us test how fast it is to copy it back to the internal smartphone storage. This takes only 7 seconds. In this case the reading speed was about 3 times faster. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe for daily new videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.